rushed him inside to put IVs in him and to get him his medicine going again. And they asked me this time, do we have permission to resuscitate him if anything happens? And I always used to say yeah, because I knew that he was good and he was strong, but because of how much he's suffering now, I said no. And if he passes, just let him go. It's my best friend. It's literally my best friend. It's Muffin's best friend, Muffin's brother. I just want him to be happy now, that's all. So the doctors just checked if there's anything they could do. They got his sugars levels up, but they said it's still progressive kidney failure. I asked them. I asked them if it's cruel of me and if I'd be killing him if I were to put him down. And they said no. It would just end his suffering. I've never dealt with the death before. There's so much I want to tell you.